Morning children. With this video we are going to start up our final term portion. So let's begin with a very new chapter for this term, that is chapter number 12, Social Responsibility of Business and Business Ethics. We have studied earlier that the sole motive of any business is to earn profit, right? So, when the main motive is to earn profit, it has also some more obligations. It also have some more responsibilities, like they have to provide, they have to render service to the society, because they are running their business in the society and they are using the resources from the society only. So it is their moral obligation, it is their, you can say, legal obligation to serve the society. If they are only after earning profit, then they cannot run their business in the long run. Is it clear? So apart from earning profit, there is another motive of any kind of business, that is to provide welfare to the society or to serve the society. Let's come to the meaning of social responsibility. Social responsibility of a business states that businessmen must consider public interest while taking any decisions and any actions relating to business. Means whatever decisions they are taking for their business, whatever you can say they are planning for their business, they have to first think about the wider section of the people of the society, that whether those decisions, whether those actions will benefit the people of the society or not. Is it clear? So this is your social responsibility of the business. Basically, business should look after the stakeholders of the business. Stakeholders means stakeholders are those people who have a financial stake in the company, who have any interest in the company, that is called as, who have any monetary benefits or monetary interest in the company, we call it as the stakeholders. So any business should look after the benefits of the stakeholders as well, because they are also the part of your organization. Next, let us study the features, nature or characteristics of social responsibility of business. Basically, what are the features? Number 1, the concept of social responsibility is based on the premise that a business firm is more than an economic institution, which means that a business firm is not meant only for earning profit, or the only motive of any business is not to earn money. Rather, they have some wider approach beyond this profit making. They have to look around for the society's welfare. They have to indulge in such activities among themselves that they should benefit the majority of the people of the society. So it is not merely an economic institution, it is far, far beyond that. Is it clear? The next feature of social responsibility of the business is, social responsibility does not mean mere philanthropy where Peter is robbed to pay Paul. It means that Peter is the consumer and Paul is the owner. A business is not meant for that. Like the owner is, you can say, extracting money from the consumers. Rather, the business or any kind of business should be socially responsible without, or you can say, without the motive of robbing their customers. Is it clear? So they should not rob their customers. They should think, or they should, you can say, treat them, or they should provide them welfare. The third point is, like in the long run, social responsibility is consistent with profit motive. Like in the long run, when the society, when the business is earning profit, then they can easily do some social welfare for the society. Is it clear? So when they, in the long run, when they are earning profit, it will not be difficult for them also to serve the society. So there are basically three phases of any business, that is survival, then profit, then growth. Is it clear? And if in the long run they want to survive and they want to grow, they have to look after the social welfare of the society. Fourth is, social responsibility is a personal obligation, which means that a business firm can discharge its social responsibilities only through the person who manages and control it, because people who are managing the business, people who are controlling the business will only do the welfare, will only have the social responsibility. Nobody else will have that. Fifth, social responsibility is a reciprocal business, which means as business has some responsibilities towards society, society also have some responsibilities towards business. So it is two-way process. It is not a single-way process. Sixth is, social responsibility of business is commensurate with its social power. For example, a small firm has less responsibility than a multinational firm. Like, it also depends on the scale or on the size of the firm as well. Small firms have less responsibility, whereas large firms will have more and more of responsibilities. Next, social responsibilities is a continuing obligation, which means it should keep on continuing, it should keep on going. It is not a one day or a one time process, it should keep on continuing. Next, the concept of social responsibility implies that business has responsibility towards society which extends beyond economic and legal obligations, means beyond any economic obligations, beyond any legal obligations, they also have some types of or some kind of responsibility which they have to show towards the society. So that's all for today. In the next class, we'll continue with the needs for social responsibility. Thank you. Bye-bye.